Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change language in YouTube comment. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, you need to go to your YouTube, and when you have access to YouTube, you will automatically find an option of changing the translating the comment. For example, this is a particular video I would like to watch, and let's go to this comment. Now this comment is in Korean, so you can see translate to English is automatically available. So you can now see the comment has been translated, and I can also do is see original, and I can also see the original language. So making sure that it works, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your Google has the translation turned on. So what you need to do is simply need to go to your Google account and personal info and make sure the language settings is updated to translation preference, because if you're logged in with your Google account and you have made with that your YouTube account, that's why my language is set to being English. That's why when it asks me to translate, it translates to English directly like that. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.